What it means when you say compound words. Okay, so before we give the meaning of a compound word, I want you to name these two pictures that we have. Anyone who can name the first picture? This is a... It's a... Do you know the name of this picture? It's a... I'll give you a clue. It starts with letter B. Basket. Okay, this is basket. And the second one is?
Ball.
Ball. Very good. So we have here basket and ball. Okay, so we have here... Yes. So if we are... okay, we're going to move to that compound word later. Let's name these pictures first. Okay, we have here basket and we have the ball, right? Next, who can name? Can you name? Look at the picture. Can you name these two pictures? What is this first one?
Teeth.
Only one. We have only one.
Teeth nga eh.
Yes, teeth is plural. What is the singular word?
Tooth.
Tooth. Okay, so we have tooth. And how about this? Do you know this picture?
No. I don't know.
Yes. Can you name? Who can name?
อะไรอะ what is
มันคืออะไร
It's like a glue. What is the other name that we can use for the word glue? It's a paste. Okay, paste. So we have here...
Toothpaste.
Okay, we have here tooth. We have here paste. Okay. All right. Next. Can you name these pictures?
Bedroom.
Okay, so we have bed and we have room. That is correct. Very good. Okay, so let's read now the following words that we saw a while ago. Okay, from the picture. So we have, for number one, we have basket plus ball equals basketball, right? And for number two, we have tooth plus paste. We have toothpaste. Okay, and for number three, the last one, we have bed plus room. It's equal to bedroom. Okay, so let us learn what happens when we put together two words. What happens when we put together two words? Okay, so the answer is two small words can be put together to form a new word. Okay, and this new word is called compound word. Okay, the new word has an entirely different meaning. Okay, as you can see in our example, we have here basket plus ball. If we put them together, we have basketball, but we can form a different meaning. Okay, got it? Basket has a different meaning. Ball has different meaning. And when we put them together, we will form a compound word, basketball. Okay? But it also has a different meaning. Got it, class? And that word is called compound word. Okay? Compound word, again, compound word are two small words that we put together to form a new word. Okay? And that new word is called a compound word. Okay? Got it? Got it, class? So let's study these words. Okay, what words make up each word? So we have here storehouse. These are the examples of compound words. We have storehouse, backyard, rice cake, and everyday. Okay, excuse me for a while. One of your classmates wanna join? Okay, Supatria is here. Good morning, Supatria. It's good to see you in the class. Alright, so Patria, we are studying compound words. When you say compound words, those are two small words that can be put together to form a new word, and that new word is called compound word. Let's explore another example. So we have your storehouse, backyard, rice cake, and everyday. Okay? So study these four words. What words make up each each word. So for storehouse, we have store plus house. For backyard, we have back plus yard. For rice cake, we have rice plus cake. And for every day, we have every plus day. Got it, class? These are the examples of compound word. It is formed with two words that when we put together, we can make a compound word. Okay, that new word is called compound word. Okay, got it? Got it?
Yeah.
So here's the question. When you put the two words together, do they form a new word with different meaning? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so when we put the two words together, we can form a new word with different meaning, like the example that we had a while ago. Okay, another example that we have here. So take a look with these three words. We have fire, we have fly, and then we have firefly. Okay, so which of these three words is an example of compound word? Fire, fly, and then firefly. Which is an example of compound word?
Fly.
Are you sure?
ไม่รู้ I don't know.
So we have fire, and then fly, and then firefly. Which is a compound word? We discussed a while ago that a compound word is a two word that we put together.
Fly.
Okay. Two words that we put together to form a new word with different meaning. Okay, so our compound word here is firefly, Nippon. Okay, who is this? Good morning. Okay, got it? Understand, class, the meaning of compound word? That is the example. So as you can see, we have here three words, right? We have fire, fly, and firefly. Okay? Fire means a flame. So let's define these three words. Fire means a flame. Fly means an insect. Got it? So these two words have different meaning, okay? And when we put them together, it becomes fire plus fly, it becomes firefly. Firefly is an example of compound word. Got it? It is formed from fire and fly. But when we put them together, it has different meaning. When you say firefly, that is an insect which carries light with it. Do you know what is firefly? Have you seen an insect like firefly that carries light with it? Have you seen? Or not yet? Okay, so when you, not yet. When you say firefly, that is an insect which carries light with it, okay? So as you can see here, we have the example of a compound word that has a different meaning when we put them together, okay? Another example, we have book plus store is equal to bookstore, right? Bookstore is our example of compound word. It is formed from these two words, book and store. But when you look at these three words, they have different meaning. Okay, when you say book, that means reading material. When you say store, it means it's a place where you can buy, right? And when you put them together, book plus store, it becomes bookstore, right? It's an example of compound word. But it has different meaning now. When you say bookstore, it means it is the store that sells books. Got it? Understand, class? That's the meaning of compound word. Okay? So, form a compound word by putting together the names of the pictures. So, let's have another example. We have ball pen, right? We have here two words. Ball pen comes from two words, ball plus pen. Got it? Another, we have wheelchair. Wheelchair is an example of compound word na. Ballpen is also a compound word. It comes from two words, ball and pen. And then another example, wheelchair. Wheelchair is a compound word also from wheel and chair. Got it? And another one, we have tablecloth. Do you know what is tablecloth? Tablecloth. Okay, so it comes from these two words. It forms from table and the cloth. Okay, I know if you can search using your phone what it looks like when you say tablecloth, class. Okay, so we have your armchair. Okay, armchair comes from two words, arm and chair. Do you know what it means when you say armchair? Armchair.
No.
How about butterfly? Okay, so butterfly comes from these two words, butter and fly. Okay, next. So what is a compound word? Let us define again. Let's read together. 1, 2, 3, go. A compound word. Let's read together, class. When you say compound word, what it means? A compound word is made up of two words put together to form a new word with different meaning. Okay, so when we put together two words, it forms a new word, and of course with different meaning. Okay, like the examples that we had a while ago. Okay, so let's see if you can match these words in column A with those in column B to form a compound words. Then we're going to use them in completing the sentence. Okay, who can make a compound word using these words? So we have here column A and column B. Can you make a compound word using these words from column A and from column B? Anyone?
Roommates.
Mama.
From column A and then from column B. You have to choose one word from A and then one word from B. What compound word? What compound word can? Okay, we have classroom. Very good. What else?
Raincoat.
Raincoat. Good job. Raincoat. What else?
Breakfast.
Okay, we have breakfast. Very good. What else?
Classroom.
Classroom. Yes. What else?
A classmate.
Yes, classmate. Oh, no. Yes, classmate. Good. Very good from Sam. Classmate. That is correct. Next. There are many.
Mailman.
Bedroom. Yes, bedroom. What else? Mailman. That is correct. No more? Okay, that's very good. So we have bedroom, raincoat, breakfast, classmate, mailman. Okay, so those are the compound words that we can form or we can make through these words. Got it? So understand? So let's use those words from this activity to complete these sentences. Okay, let me see if you can try. Number 1. You're going to use the words that you make from these, the compound word. Okay, take note. We're going to use the compound word that you use from this activity to complete these sentences. Anyone who can complete number 1? These sentences are very easy. Go. For number 1.
Do we not work here?
No, just read. Who can answer number 1?
It is a helpful habit to eat breakfast.
Okay, very good. That is correct. So the answer for number 1 is breakfast. It is a helpful habit to eat breakfast every morning. Number 2.
I stay in my bedroom when I'm sick.
Very good. That's correct. I stay in my bedroom when I'm sick. Number 3. Number 3. Sayam, you answer this.
My
Okay, yes. My classmate visited me when I was sick. That is correct. And number 4?
Raincoat.
raincoat.
Okay, very good. I use a raincoat during rainy days. And number 5? Do you remember number 5? Who delivers letters for you? Or mails?
Mailman.
Okay, mailman. The mailman delivers letters. Okay, so got it. Okay, so last activity class, read these sentences carefully and you're going to choose the compound words from each sentences. Example number 1, she was reared by her grandmother. What is the compound word here? Anyone? Can you give me the compound word that we have for sentence number 1?
Grandma.
Okay, grandmother. That is correct. Good morning, Pizza Pa. Okay, very good. So we have for number 1, that is correct. Papon, we have grandmother. What are the 2 words that we use to form grandmother? Very easy. We have grand plus mother. Okay. Number 2. Can you spot the example of compound word here? Arnold was in my class when he complained of headache. What is the example of compound word here? We have very easy. Can you see?
Compare.
Oh, if complain, what are the 2 words here? So Papon, can you name? Is it complain or what else?
Headache.
Not complain but headache, from head and ache. Okay. How about number 3? The plants at the backyard are starting to have flowers. What is the compound word? Backyard. Okay, very good. Backyard, back and yard. And for the last one, number 4 and 5. Number 4, the policeman heard the shouts of the droning boy. What is the compound word here?
Policeman.
Okay, policeman. Police and man. That is correct. And for the number 5, Jalomri likes to eat cheesecakes.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecakes. Got it? So that is all about compound words. Okay, for our last activity, before we answer your book class, I want you to watch this so that you could have another information about what compound word is. Can you hear?
Yes.
Compound words
Okay.
are 2 smaller words joined together to make one new and large.
Let's start.
Compound words. Compound words are 2 smaller words joined together to make one new and larger word. For example, the 2 small words rain and bow put together will make the word rainbow, which is a whole new, bigger word with a completely different meaning. Or if I have the words cup and cake put together, it will give me the compound word cupcake. Notice how compound words don't necessarily have anything to do with the smaller parts. For example, the word hot talks about temperature, and the word dog here is an animal. Put together, these words make the word hot dog, which is a food. Can you find the compound words in the following sentences? I'm putting my sunglasses on. Which word in this sentence is a compound word? If you said sunglasses, you are correct. The word sunglasses can be broken apart into sun and glasses. Let's visit the lighthouse. Which word in this sentence is a compound word? If you said lighthouse, you are correct. The word lighthouse is broken down into 2 smaller words which are light and house. There are many more compound words in the English language, and now that you know what they are, look out for compound words when you're reading. And if you're writing using compound words, remember that they become one word and there is no space between each word. If you liked watching this video and all my
Okay, so got it, class? Understand what it means when you say compound words?
Yes.
Okay.